Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of 25 days of Toni, Mummy Makeover. So if you want to see what happens, then just continue watching. Okay, so I start with the eyebrows using the Brow Duo Definer in medium brown. She absolutely hates this part because I take the longest on her brows. But she does her brows smaller than me, so tried. Then I'm using the Maybelline concealer in tan. Before I go in with the hydrating primer, which I got everywhere, as usual. Sorry.
I have my light top. Just washed it as well.
I then go in with the L'Oreal foundation in Cappuccino. Funny enough, we both use the same shade, which I think is wrong, but you know. Then I go back in with the same concealer that I use for the eyebrows.
You do smaller one on older, so that you don't look crazy.
I then go in with the Juvia's Place Nubian 1 palette and use a shade to bronze. I then blend her under eye in and her nose before I bronze her nose and powdered.
Keep it on warmth. It's a little bit on the wet.
I was naturally like this,
See, it's a mess. Like the other one will get you wet.
Yeah, I want one of those. How much is that?
It's £15. It's either £10 or £15. So. But yeah, it's really good.
What's it called?
Morphe Continuous Setting Mist.
Because the other one wet me up.
Yeah.
And let's apply the NYX eye base in the shade Skin Tone before I go into the Jaclyn Hill OG palette and blend the brown out into her crease area. I just wanted to do something simple because she gets very overwhelmed very easily, so I wanted to do something that would be wearable for her. I then go into the mustard shade and blend that out on the lid. And I just make sure to blend both colours together. So this is just a simple day look.
Need to do this.
It's blush.
No, it's highlight.
This
No,
is
it's
blush.
It
I
is
thought we were
funny.
doing this. What is she doing?
That's what I thought. What's going on?
So close.
Blinded.
That's enough. That's
found it.
enough.
I'm streaming.
I realised I forgot to do her under eye, so I just brush the first shade, that first brown shade, and lightly brush that underneath her eyes before going into the stunner lip. She actually chose this shade, so
Cool. No, because Mum is moving.
I'm still feeling tickly on my Okay, go.
Mum!
I knew it.
How you do the bottom one? The top one is still tickly.
Oh my god.
Mom! Honey, stop!
If I get this all over your face, you look crazy.
It really tickles, you don't know. It's like you put more on it.
Mum! Look at that, look!
You look crazy, man.
You look like a joker.
Can't you use a different one?
No.
It tickles my mouth.
Okay, fine. How did I do it the time when it weren't tickling? I'll do it this way first, and if it tickles, I'll move it up.
Right, really hard, you don't know.
No one can ever accuse me of being impatient ever again. Because Mum, gotta love her.
She is so which is mommy.
And Ariane.
I know.
Now that she was actually used to the applicator, I could actually do her lips properly. I did overline just a little bit, but nothing too crazy.
Sweating a bit, babes.
Yeah, I'm boiling, isn't it?
Going through the change, love. Bit much at Toni-Anne.
Okay, gonna fix your hair and stuff. Okay, so that's my mummy makeover for her birthday. What do you guys think? Please let me know down below. What do you think, Mum?
Looking pretty good.
Yes! Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Bye.